Anyway, that's cute, right?
Yeah.
Ooh. Anyway.
Oh, I'm perfect.
Perfect.
Anyways, creative Mach, sexy Mach. Never mind. Your mic just fell. What do you want me to say?
I never recorded before, so I don't know why I thought I had to be perfect on one try.
No, yeah. I'll be like right here, and we should be all in frame.
Go ahead.
You ready?
It's your channel.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Vlogs, and I'm back again with a new video. And today, we got something brand new going on. We just created our, what we say, gun group.
Yeah, it's a gun group.
It's probably the first gun group in CT. You feel me?
At least the first one that makes good content.
Make good content. So,
Fuck the ATF.
yep.
This one's in black and white.
I'm about to go get that shit. Cut!
I ain't doing that all over. Yeah,
Nah, we had to, but
G1. This cooler?
we stepping up in life. We're stepping up in life, right? With another video. Today we got a behind the scenes of something very special that my boy right here, my cousin, my first love.
Hey, yo.
Anyway, so boom.
The fuck is this?
It's a rebar.
It's a piece of rebar? Oh my God. I'm gonna let my guy introduce himself right here.
How you guys doing? Big Lex. Lex Shiesty, as many might know me.
You see these bellies touching together?
Yeah, we're perfect for each other, symbolic, like a Buddha.
Like a Buddha.